Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Belize. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Ministry of Affairs and Foreign Trade Belize. Here under consular services, you have Immigration and Nationality Services. Okay. So now you have this like appointment. You can book appointment for. Okay, this is anyway. We are going for the visa, so I won't go into that. So first, do you really need a visa to travel to Belize? If you have a multiple permanent residence of US, if you have valid multiple entry card, if you have multiple entry visa or permanent residence card from Canada, then for entry visits not exceeding 30 days, you don't need a visa. Okay. But if this does not apply to you, what are the visa requirements? You need to go for application form, passport, and flight at in and out ticket. That's you should do. Apart from that, letter of financial support, sponsor identification, proof of kinship. Again, like if you're being sponsored, and employment letter if you're employed, banking financial. Sales if you're sales form, you're paying for your employment letter, banking financial. Application form, passport, flight itinerary. So they have given this. Okay, like you need to prove that you have enough funds, right? And if you're paying on your own bank statements, we'll go for visa types, but first go for how to apply. So you need to contact the uh, nearest Belizean diplomatic and consular section. So for example, if you're in India, you can apply here. You can email them, call them and ask. Okay. Coming back to here. So how to apply, we have gone already. Okay. So you have to submit original and copies. Document other than English must be translated. Okay. Fee. So this is in Belize dollar, not in US dollar. So don't confuse with that. So if you're an Indian national, you need to pay for single entry 750, for multiple entry 1000 Belize dollars. Okay. How to apply? We already went through contact details. They need to contact and book, or you can schedule like when you're gonna do. So visa form. So this is the visa form. Okay. So this is for the photo. Okay. Applicant inform last name, first name, full name at birth, if different, date of birth, place of birth, nationality. Make sure this matches with your passport. If you hold any other nationality, provide, but as an Indian national, definitely it's not allowed. National gender, marital status, spouse, if applicable. Document information, passport number, date of issue, date of expiry, country of issue, any other country passport. You need to provide that information. But yes, be very careful when you enter. Contact information you need to put. Children information if applicable. Now your trip. What are you applying? Single entry, multiple entry. Entry date, then number of days you're gonna stay there. Purpose of visit, you can select. Details of trip, what you're gonna do, provide information. Where you're gonna stay. Okay, if you have already booked hotel and other, like if you have address for there, you can provide that. Occupation, your employment information. Declaration, signature, and sign. This section is for official information, so don't bother about that. Okay. So with this, you should be all right. All right. So we have covered everything. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.